health hotline. If you are obsessive compulsive, press 1 repeatedly. If you are codependent, ask the company.
I will fucking need a very high. Shot into my ordinary eye. Oh my god, it's that so high. I'm the silence guy, smoking back with my son. You know I'm on to the middle of the sun. Oh my god, I love this track fight.
Alright, gang, we lost the real one today. Big Floshy was shot to death by the big black concrete. But today, we should have get revenge. We should have rock and roll dead. We're fucking ready.
Already scored 8 kills in the gap. We're dropping those outs dead like your school shooting. This is for my school boy. Here's your hit my skin whistle.
I hope you choke on that lip mark your fucking eater.
I let my uranium 235 on from my uncle's toilet. Now he's stored.
Let's go back to the first verse.
My name's Edwart. I will fucking need a very high. Shot into my ordinary eye.
Oh my god, is that so high?
Silence guy, smoking back with my son. You know I'm on to the middle of the sun.
Oh my god, I love this track fight. Let's lower the tempo.
My name is Edwart. I will fucking need a very high. Shot into my ordinary eye.
Oh my god, is that so high?
I'm the silence guy, smoking crack with my son. You know I'm on to the middle of the sun.
Oh my god, I love this track fight. Alright, gang, we lost the real one today. Big Floshy was shot to death by the big black concrete. But today, we should have get revenge. We should have rock and roll dead. Who's fucking ready?
Already swirled case here. We're dropping those outs dead like your school shooting. This is for my school boy. Here's your hit my skin whistle.
I hope you choked on that lip mark your fucking eater.
I left my uranium 235 from my uncle's toilet. Now he's stored.
Let's go back to the first verse.
My name is Edward. I will fucking need a very high. Shot into my ordinary eye.
Oh my god, is that so high?
Guy, smoking crack with my son. You know I'm on to the middle of the sun.
Oh my god, I love this track fight.
Un video más, mi gente, para perder el tiempo, empecemos.